And here is our holiday gourmet tuyo, no? Ganda nito. Pwede mong pang regalo ngayong Christmas season, no? No, so it's good business. It's also good Christmas gift for your friends and family. Hi, I'm Richard Gomez. Welcome to Goma at Home. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ano bang pwede natin lutuin sa bahay? Tapos pwede natin gawing pamigay as gifts, no? So yung naisip ko naman this year, gawa tayo ng tuyo. At ilalagay natin sa bote. So tuyo in oil. So let's get some oil to fry our dried fish. Medyo ano yung almost deep fried siya. But make sure na hindi masyadong mainit 'yon, no? Yung pan, yung frying pan. So while I'm heating my skillet, what I'll do, I'll prepare this one. Gagawa na rin tayo ng oil natin. Gusto tayo mag-infuse. I'll turn this on. Okay? And then, kung ilan yung bote natin, pupunin natin siya ng oil. So what we'll use is extra virgin olive oil. There. Nice. Yan. There you go. Yan lang, no? And then make sure yung paglalagyan nyo ng bote, no? Make sure lang na sterilized na siya, na para malinis siya, tapos wala nang bacteria. Okay? So here we go. We're using 6 bottles for this. Nice. Okay? Let it. And then, lalagyan natin yung garlic. Damihan nyo ng garlic. Siguro 2 cups of garlic to. No? Yun. There. Lagyan natin ng maraming black pepper. Good. Lagyan natin siya ng capers. No? Good. So yung capers, meron tong konting may brine na ito. Brine is salted water, no? Yan, no? Makikita mo maalat na siya ng konti. Actually, maalat na siya. Tatanggalin natin yung brine niya. Kasi gagamitin lang natin are the capers. And then olives. No? Yan. Capers. Yan, no? Okay. Good. Just 1 bottle. Tapos meron pa tayong olives. Nilagyan natin dito. Yun. We'll use 1 more bottle. Okay? And then, I'm going to put a little vinegar para sa tang natin. Tang, and it's going to help in the preservation of our tuyo. So, lagyan lang sa low heat. So, yung skillet natin here, it's heating up already, no? Pero nasa low to medium heat. I'm going to put in bay leaves. Yan. Dami natin yung bay leaves. Kasi, yung bay leaves ilalagay din natin sa loob ng bote, iwan natin sila doon. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagbigay niya ng flavor, no? So, yan. Kung matakot na maglagay ng marami, okay lang yan. And then, sili. Eto, sili. Yan, oh, dami, oh. Yan ang sili. Lagay lang dito. Put it all there. So, while we're doing that, umiinit na rin natin yung skillet natin. Lulutuin na natin yung tuyo. Okay, good. So, while we're cooking that, dagdagan pa natin yun. We'll put in carrots, no? Yung carrots, put it here. Ito yung konting may konting decoration yung carrots yung sa bote. But more than the decoration, may taste din yung carrot, no? Ibibigay din siya ng flavor. Clean it, say that. Okay? And then, alam mo magaling gumawa sa ganito, yung mag-decor ng mga vegetables. Yung mga Chinese na mga chef, sila yung talagang magaling gumawa ng vegetable decoration. Gagaling talaga nila. Talagang pinag-aaralan nila ng gusto yan. Okay. Okay, yun. Okay, so once we have that, ito na yung, so now we'll cut this carrots into thin slices. Thin slices. There. So, kita niyo yung shape niya, di ba? Parang flower. Oh. So, now, I'm going to put this dun sa oil natin, na ini-infuse natin. Okay, looks good. There you go. Okay. It's starting to heat up. Lagyan natin doon. Good. Then let me just mix this a little. And leave it there. Let it infuse. Okay. Tapos yung dried fish natin. So balik-balik natin yung fish natin. Nice. Ganda. So, hindi kailangan mainit na mainit yung mantika. You don't have to cook it in high heat niya lang. Nice. You don't have to let it boil. Heat it up. Good. This takes time. Okay? Bango. So what we'll do, kunin natin yung isda natin. There you go. Okay. Next step na gagawin natin, so get the fish, no? Tatanggalin natin yung ulo. Yun. Tuloy natin yung ulo. Tsaka yung tiyan. Kasi medyo mapait yan eh. So take that out. Yan, no? And then pati yung buntot. Putulin nyo na yung buntot. So ito lang may iwan. Ito ngayon, eksakto na yung size nito para dun sa bote natin. See that? Sakto, di ba? Ano? Okay? So just do this. Tuloy. Take out the head. Yun. Putulin ng tiyan na medyo mapait. Putulin ng ikog, ang tail. So kung marami kayong gagawin na na toyo, like yung gagawin natin, marami to. It takes a lot of time. Maganda kung meron kayong kasama na tutulong sa inyo. Otherwise, matatagalan kayo kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Yan. See? Okay. So, ang iba naman, gusto nila, binabalatan nila yung binabalatan nila yung tuyo. Pwede nyo rin gawin yan. Pwede hindi. It's your choice. But, para sa akin, tatanggalin ko siya. Yun. Okay? Okay? So, medyo tedious. So, it takes a lot of time to do it. Okay? Yun. So, what we'll do, lalagyan natin sa bote. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ilalagyan natin sa isang bote, but siguro, tingin ko, this, mga 12 pieces siguro to. 12 to 15. 2. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No? Siya, no? Ganda, oh. Nice, oh. Kaya bawasan na isa. So, tama na to, oh. Saka maamoy mo talaga. Sarap. Sarap. Yan na lahat ng flavors natin. Nandiyan na. The capers, the olives, no, garlic, nandiyan yung carrots, nandiyan yung bay leaves, chili. So, what we'll do, chinek natin noong una kung ilan yung malalagyan natin. So, 12 to 15. No? And the way to prepare it, ang gagawin natin is, lalagyan nyo muna dun sa ilalim. Lagyan nyo, pinaka-ingredients na, yun, para nasa ilalim siya. Yan, tapos mamaya na yung, mamaya nyo na ilalagay yung, yung carrots at saka yung chili. Yun naman inilalagay sa side, sa gilid. No? So, yun. Ganun, no? Kaya kung maraming prepare ninyo, pwede nyo lagyan na marami. Dito. Nice, oh. And then, lalagyan nyo yung infused oil. Yun. There you go. So, gawin yung kalahati lang muna. And then, susukatin natin mamaya. And then, yung calculation natin kanina, yung bilang natin is around mga 12, no? 1, 11, yun, 12, sakto na 12, oh. 12, yun. So, nandyan siya. Okay? Yun naman, lalagyan na siya ng adorno natin. Eh. We will put our chili dun sa gilid. Ayan. Yun. Yun. See? And then, yung carrots. May carrots din siya, di ba? Nice. Yan. Parang maganda siyang tignan. Then give this as gifts to your friends and to your loved ones. Yeah? Sa mga neighbors niyo. Yeah. Mabait yung neighbor niyo. Tapos, kuta ng olives. Tsaka ng capers. Yan, lagyan dito. Ganda, oh. Ganun lang, oh. Tapos, fill it hanggang sa brim. Yan. Hanggang sa makover natin yung isda. There you go. Nice. That's one. See? And then, maya-maya lang, mag-clear up na yan. Close it. Yun. That's it tight. That's one. Okay? Sige. Yeah. So here's our gourmet tuyo. Yan, no? Ganda nito. Pwede mong pang regalo ngayong Christmas season, no? Siguro pag ginawa mo sa bahay ito, let's say about 400, lagay mo sa 500 pesos yung isang kilo ng tuyo. So, ang 12 pieces, about 1/4 kilo, 25, 200. So, siguro ang total cost niya, no? Siguro abutin siya ng mga 350 pesos, including the olive oil, except sa bote, malaki siya. Pero yung mga binibenta ka sa mga deli stores o sa mga grocery, maliit lang. So, over 1,000 pesos. So, kung niregalo nito, it's worth siguro mga at least mga 1,500 ang worth niya. Kung bebenta nyo to, ganito kalaki. I don't mind buying this for 1,500. No, so it's good business. It's also good Christmas gift for your friends and family. So, there you go. And sometimes, isipin mo, how can I, present this? Ito, so pwede mong ilagay ito. And then, kuha nito ribbon. Like that, no? Then, ribbon, tali mo siya pa ganun. Doblein mo. No? Pantay mo lang siya. And then, yun. Tie it well. Secure it one more time. Then, kuha tayo ng ribbon. Nice. There. That's your ribbon. Okay. Ang Christmas na natin ito. So, magunting. Cut this. See that? See that? Ganun lang, oh. Ganda. Ito kung meron kayong mga old table napkins na hindi nyo na ginagamit kasi sometimes, di ba, usually you buy it na set and then nasisira na iba or nawawala na iba. Pero meron pa rin naiiwan. So this is what you can do. That's one. Or, kung minsan meron mas malaki ng konti, ganito. You know? So what you can do naman is, get your bottle. Ganun din. Sa kabila naman. Dito mo na siya itatali pag ganun. I'll show you. Okay? Okay? Nice. Have some flour. Oh. Ganun lang. Just you can be creative. And here is our holiday gourmet tuyo, no? Nice, oh. So you can give it as gifts, no? To your friends, to your family. Ay, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Wonderful Christmas to you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me all throughout 2024. It's been a wonderful year. I had so much time cooking for you guys, and I hope you had a wonderful time watching Go Home at Home. So keep on watching. Spend your Christmas with your family, with your loved ones. No, enjoy this merry season of the year. I wish everyone Merry Christmas. I'll see you again next time right here at Go Home at Home. Goodbye.